Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Sanavu. Actually, I didn't shoot any video from the past few months. I occupied with some other works and exams. Now I came to my hometown. Right now I'm in my hometown. So today is Karthigai. Here Karthigai festival celebrates very grandly. So I decided to shoot this video. This video is about get ready with me for this Karthigai. So let's begin the video. So yeah, let's start. As usual, I'm going to use this moisturizer. This is a best moisturizer for oily skin type. Pond's Light Moisturizer. This is not a sponsor. I loved this moisturizer. I'm going to take this much of cream. Gently going to apply on my all face. Apply it on your under eye area. That is very important. And also in neck. I think I'm done with my moisturizer. Rest of the moisturizer I'm applying on my elbows because elbow becomes dry quickly. I'm not going to use primer. Here also a winter climate and the climate is quite nice. Directly I'm going to a orange color corrector. Must need for my skin tone because I'm having a lots of pigmentations, so I need to hide this. Here I'm using this purple palette. This is a cream product. I'm going to apply on my pigmented area. Now I'm going to set my corrected area with this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder with this dry sponge. Next is foundation. For foundation, I'm going to use this Nykaa All Day Matte. I'm in shade Coffee 14. In recent days, I have used this foundation a lot. Seriously love this foundation. First choice of basic makeup foundation is Maybelline Fit Me. After that, I chose this only. This suits well, long lasting. So yeah, this will give a very natural look. So now I'm going to apply this all over my face. Before that, I'm going to wet my sponge. So yeah, wait a minute. I'm going to use this wet sponge. For concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Ruin Concealer. This is in shade Caramel 144. Again, I'm going to use the same sponge. Blend well. Blending process is very important. You should have to blend well, otherwise your makeup looks cakey. This is how it looks after concealing. And now I'm going to set all my face with a loose powder. The same loose powder which I have already used excess. Now for eyebrows, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Brow Kit. Sorry, they have given a wax also in this palette, and also they have given a tweezer. Slightly I'm going to apply the eyeshadow. In this Beauty Glazed palette, I'm going to use this shade at my outer corner. So I'm going to use my finger and I'm not going to use any brushes today. So I'm going to use this hematite shade on my outer corner. Now I'm going to use some shimmery shade on my eyelids, middle of the eyelids. This shade. Next is eyeliner and kajal. And also I'm going to wear a saree with some silver border. So I'm going to use this metallic silver eyeliner. This is from Swiss Beauty. For eyeliner also I'm going to use the same brand from the Swiss Beauty. This gives a jet black. Now Kajal. For Kajal I'm going to use this Revlon Kajal. This is easy to apply and this will give a very nice finish. I'm going to apply lighter slightly. This one is my most favorite for festive looks always. Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte and the shade name is, I think, Brick Red. I don't remember the shade name. I'll give it in my description box. Check it out from there. So yeah, let's apply. That's it. So yeah, give me a minute. This is my entire look. I'm wearing a saree, cotton saree with silver border and some embroidery silver blouse. So this is my entire look for this Karthigai. Hope you enjoyed it. So let's meet you on next video. Hope I'll make next video soon. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.